Hello, you're welcome. So in this video, I want to show you how you can change the settings of your Google Sheet for your location and your calculations. So this is useful in the aspect of the location. It helps you be able to work with the kind of formula that relates to your location. It also enables you with your history so as to keep record of your history in a timely manner based on your time zone. Then in the aspect of the calculation, you will want to be able to select options that will recalculate your formulas based on the cells that relate to such formulas to ensure that there are no issues as you work on your Google Sheet. You can also have a cell containing circular references, and you want to be able to keep track of such cell and set how you want the iteration to work if you really want to turn on the circular referencing feature. So I will just come to this file. If I want to perform the setting, click on it, then go down to my settings. So here you can see I have my locale. So this affects the functions, date and currency that I have. So I will just change this to United States. For my time zone, I'm using GMT +1. You can change it to yours as well. So mine is GMT +1, and I'm using Lagos time. Then for calculations, you can choose how you want your recalculation to take place, whether it's on change or on change and after every minute or on change and after every hour. So you should note that it will affect how your already existing formulas will function, like the now, today, and so on, which if it's always changing based on the data that you have on your sheet or your workbook, you may end up having an issue. So it's best to just leave it as this default, which is this on change. And then for the iteration, you can choose to turn it on or off depending on whether you want to work with circular references or not. So if you turn it on, you see options of the maximum number of iterations as well as the threshold that you want to work with. So I will just turn it off and then save and reload. And that's just what I want to show you in this video, and I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.